Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto Mining 2025. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to transfer crypto from one wallet to another wallet safely without losing your cryptos. I know at some point you had tried to transfer crypto or you had sent crypto to one of your wallets, and unfortunately they didn't reflect on the other wallet. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the correct way on how you can send crypto from one wallet to another wallet without losing your coins. So yeah, okay, let's dive in onto the process step by step. So the first thing, if you want to transfer crypto from one wallet to the other wallet, the first thing you must make sure is that the coin you want to transfer is listed on both wallets. Basically, I'm assuming you want to transfer coins from your wallet maybe to an exchange where you want to maybe like trade it to your local currency. So yeah, the first thing you should make sure is that the coin is listed on both wallets. By that I mean that if you want to transfer, like for example, for our case, let's use AVAX as an example. So I want to transfer AVAX from my Trust wallet to my Binance wallet. First thing I should do, I should confirm that AVAX is listed on Binance. So what I do, I just have to come to under the asset section, go to the spot section, then search for the coin AVAX. So let me search for the coin AVAX. And there we have it. There we have the coin. You can see here is AVAX coin. So you can just click on it, confirm that it is the correct coin. So okay, after confirming that AVAX is the AVAX coin is the correct coin, you can now proceed to the next step. Now to choose the network. Now for the network part, make sure the coin you want to transfer the network to, the networks must be corresponding. So for our case, you can see for AVAX here, you can only transfer AVAX from Trust wallet to Binance wallet using the AVA C chain network. So I must make sure that the receiving wallet also has the AVA C chain network. So let me come and just search for the coin here, AVA. Then click on add AVA on chain deposit, and there you can see we have the AVAX chain network 2 on the Binance wallet. So yeah, this coin is good to transfer. You can transfer it from your Trust wallet to the Binance wallet. So basically this applies for all the coins you want to transfer. First, confirm the coin if it's listed on the exchange you want to transfer to. Next, confirm the network that is also present on the wallet you want to transfer to. Let's say if you want to send now the AVAX or the coin you want to send from the wallet to the exchange, how you send it? Just come and click on the coin like AVAX, then come and click on send. Click on send. Then you're going to be asked to input your domain address there and the amount of AVAX you want to send. So keeping in mind that you are only able to transfer AVAX using the AVAX C chain network, you can now proceed to get the address that you want to deposit this AVAX to. So for our case, let's say you want to use Binance. You want to send AVAX from Trust wallet to Binance. So I'll just come back now to my Binance wallet, and then of course come and click on add funds, then on chain deposit. Then I'll have to get the coin I want to deposit. So I'll search for AVAX. Here's the coin AVAX. So I'll just click on it, then the network page will appear. So you can see I have 3 networks, but I was using the AVA C chain network because it is the only network that is corresponding with the coin network I want to transfer from. What you do now, just click on the network, then the address will be provided, the AVAX C chain deposit address. Now you can see the networks are the same. We are using the receiving wallet is using AVA C chain network, and the sending wallet is also using AVA C chain. So when those networks are corresponding, then you are good to go. So just come and click on the address, copy it, then go back to where you had left it at and proceed with the transferring. So the address, paste it, then click on the amount you want to send, then proceed to clicking on next and confirming and transferring funds from your wallet to the other exchange or wallet you want to send to. Basically the process is very similar. Now if you want to do it the other way around, now we want to like transfer funds from our wallet now to we want to transfer funds from our exchange back to our wallet or to any other exchange. This is how we do it. Let's say I want to transfer BTC, Bitcoin. So I'll just come and click on send. Click on send, then send to on chain. Then of course I'll have to like search for the coin here. So that's BTC. There it is. So then this page will appear when you want to send the BTC. You are going to be required to input the address there, then the network of course, then the withdrawal amount. So you can see the network and the address are both appearing. So what you'll do to the receiving wallet, go to the receiving wallet. So let's say for my case I want to use Trust Wallet again. So it can be any exchange or any wallet. So whatever, let it be just the receiving wallet. So on the receiving side, go to the coin that you want to receive. So let's say I want to search for BTC. Then there you have it, Bitcoin. So you can see on the receiving side on Trust Wallet, we only have the Bitcoin network. That means that on this wallet, I can only send BTC using the Bitcoin network only. If you use any other network apart from Bitcoin network, you'll end up losing your tokens. But on some exchanges, you find that the networks are many. You can see for an exchange, you are going to have like BTC, Segwit, Bitcoin, the network, Lightning network, then BNB, BEP20, Ethereum, ERC20, and so on. So depending on the exchange you're going to choose, it will give you the network that are provided. But for some wallets, you can find that they're restricted to one network. Like for the Trust Wallet, you're only restricted to Bitcoin network. So you'll just proceed. Like let's say you are good with the BTC network. You'll just proceed with the BTC network. So come and click on receive. On the receiving wallet, click on the receive section. Then the address, copy it. Copy the receiving address. So for our case, we're using Bitcoin as a network. You can see here we also have a red notice saying only send Bitcoin BTC assets on this address. Other assets will be lost forever. So yeah, let's proceed to send. So just go back to your sending wallet. So yeah, we're on the sending wallet now. So you can see the address, the network, and the amount. So the address we copied for the specific network, put it there. Then on the network section, choose the corresponding network. So let's say we were using a Bitcoin. So just come and select Bitcoin. Come and select Bitcoin. You can see there's also a visible note here saying ensure the network matches the withdrawal address and the deposit platform support it or assets may be lost. So make sure the network matches the withdrawal address and the deposit platform is supporting that network address and the crypto coin. So yeah, let's say you're using Bitcoin, you can just come and select Bitcoin as the network. So if you're using a BNB chain BEP20 as the sending network, come and select BNB. If you're using Ethereum ERC20 as the chosen network on the sending wallet, come and choose ERC, and so on and so on. So make sure basically the networks are the same, and also the receiving wallet is supporting the network. So you just select the network like that, then proceed inputting the amount, and yeah, proceed to click on withdraw and successfully transfer funds from your wallet, from your sending wallet to your receiving wallet, and your balance of course will reflect on the other side successfully if you do choose the correct network and confirmed the network and you did everything correctly, obviously your coins will reflect on the other side where you had transferred them to. And basically that's how we do it. That's how you transfer funds from one wallet to another wallet, or from one exchange to another exchange. Basically the method is the same. You just have to confirm the network. Basically make sure the networks are the same. If it's BEP20, make sure they're BEP20. Also confirm the coin is being supported on both wallet. If it's the sending, it's supporting the network and the coin. If it's the receiving, it's supporting the network and the coin. After confirming that, proceed on imputing your address. Make sure you copy the correct address. Don't miss any letter or number on the address, because if you miss, you're going to lose your tokens. Make sure you copy the address correctly, paste it where it's required, click on send, receive your wallets to where you are sending them, and yeah, proceed with your trading. So basically that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more crypto and mining updates.